How to add special effects to messages on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. You are now in the Messages page where you can view all your messages. Scroll down and open any chat from here. Go to the text bar below and type in any message. Then, tap and hold the Send button beside it. You can view the different effects over here. Choose any effect that you like. For example, slam. You can also view the different screen effects by going to the screen section at the top. Choose any screen effect that you like. For example, fireworks. And then, tap on the Send button. Following these steps, you can easily add special effects to messages on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.